Hi guys, today we're going to talk about an exercise that can help you with a condition called Patellofemoral pain syndrome, commonly known as runner's knee. So runner's knee is when you get pain behind and around the kneecap. And one of the muscles that can be involved in that is a muscle called the vastus lateralis, which is one of your quadriceps muscles. So the vastus lateralis runs from the outside of the thigh bone there, all the way down to the outside of the shin bone, okay? And it's involved in straightening the knee, okay? So, one way we can treat that muscle or make it a little bit looser, because it's often very tight for this condition, is by using a foam roller. So for the foam roller, what we're going to do is lie down on it with the hip on the side of it there. The bottom leg is out straight, the top leg is bent up, supporting the weight with the foot there, and you're supporting your weight with your other hands as well, or with your hands. From there, you're going to roll up and down it, so rolling the side of your thigh up and down it, and you're going to come down as far as just above the knee, and then back towards just below where your hip bone sticks out there. Okay, now this will probably be quite painful at first, but after a while, when the muscle starts to loosen up, it becomes more and more comfortable. That'll usually take a couple of weeks of rolling. You want to do around about 5 to 10 reps. Okay, so that one should help with your runner's knee.